Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the two identifiers that matter, your SIM ICSID or phone number and the device IMEI. Once you have them, log into your carrier account and confirm you can view recent activity. This lets the carrier verify ownership and start a trace. Next, make sure your device's location services and the platform Find My feature are enabled, because those give precise coordinates. If enabled, they will speed recovery. Now call your carrier to report that once the carrier has your ICSID and IMEI, they can pull MZ mappings and last seen cell tower hits. This narrows the area. While they run that, sign into Android Find My device or iCloud Find My to ping the phone remotely. This explains how you may get a live location versus a cached point. If the phone is offline, the carrier's tower logs can show movement over hours. Make sure to share timestamps and details with police so they can submit legal requests quickly. You finish by prioritizing data and access. Remotely lock the device, display a recovery contact, and set a loud sound if it's nearby. This deters misuse and aids return. If the phone is unrecoverable, ask the carrier to block the SIM and add the IMEI to the global blacklist, then perform a remote wipe to protect data. If those steps don't show location, go to a carrier store or file a police report with your IMEI and proof of purchase. Key troubleshooting. If location
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.